Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how you can use Jupyter Notebook in QGIS. If you use Python for geospatial analysis, you know how useful it is to test your code in small chunks. While standard QGIS Python console is good for quick commands, sometimes you need a better environment for longer workflows. That is where the QGIS Notebook plugin comes in. It provides a dockable panel where you can write code and mark down notes and interact with your active map layers immediately. This is a great way to keep your code, your documentation, and your geospatial data all in one organized workspace. So, this tool or this plugin is developed by Dr. Qiusheng. Currently, if you try to install this plugin directly in QGIS, it will not appear in search, but there is a method to install this plugin. I think after 1 or 2 weeks, you can directly install it, but for now, you can install it using another method. So this method will be you have to connect this repository in QGIS. Then from that repository, we'll install this plugin. So I will provide this website repository link in description section. You can visit this website, and in the installation section, you can see this repository link here. Just copy this link and open QGIS. Inside QGIS, go to plugins tab, then go manage and install plugins. Inside, you will see a settings option. Go inside setting, and in the setting window, you will also see a add button. Click the add button, and here you have to add that repository link. You can keep any name. I will keep it as it is, QGIS Notebook Plugin. Then you will paste here the link of that repository. Then OK. It will connect Notebook Plugin repository with our QGIS. Now we can download and install that notebook plugin inside QGIS. So I'll search notebook, this plugin, and you can see here the author is Qiusheng, Dr. Qiusheng, and here are some information. So this plugin is newly launched and newly added to that this repository. I think after 1 or 2 weeks, it will be directly available. You can just directly come here in the all section and search notebook. It will come as plugin directly. We do not need to connect any repository. But for now, it is not yet published in QGIS official repository. That's why we need to connect this unofficial notebook repository. Now I will install this plugin. So plugin installed successfully. In the top left corner, here you can see the icon of notebook panel. You can open this notebook panel from here. Just click on it. It will open on the right hand side. So this is the UI of Jupyter Notebook in QGIS. You can create your new Jupyter Notebook file here. You can run any Python code here. But also remember, if you want to install some external libraries, you have to install it in QGIS Python environment. So you can use that external library. But there are a lot of tools available in QGIS Python environment. You can directly use those without installing any other external libraries. Also, if you have any Jupyter Notebook file, you can also import it here and open it and do your analysis directly. So I will download one Jupyter Notebook from this repository. Go to examples, then download this PyQGIS example. We'll download it from here. Now in QGIS, I'll open that downloaded example Jupyter Notebook file here. That file has been loaded here. I will do some analysis. So you can see the map viewer is empty. I will add OpenStreetMap base map service. Now I will add some vector datasets. So it is a demo. So this is a demo GeoJSON file, and this contains cities point-wise data. So I'll add that. The data is adding. The code is still running, you can see. It may take some minute. The world cities point data has been added on the map. You can see. Now I will add one raster data. So it will be a Landsat image, and this Landsat image has 4 bands. So we'll download and visualize this on the map. So I'll run the code. So you can see the raster data is added and total band count is 4 RGB and NIR. Now you know that in QGIS in layer section you can go zoom, you can use zoom to layer. Similarly, using Python you can do the same thing. So I'll run this code block to zoom to the raster layer. So you can see, since this raster has NIR band, so we will highlight the vegetation area in this raster data. So run this code. So you can see it's highlighted the vegetation area. These red areas are representing more vegetation than the other regions. In the next code block, I'll do some query analysis on the world cities datasets. So I'll print the fields name that are available in that datasets. Also, I will print the first 5 cities name present in the name field or name column. So you can see these are the fields available inside this world cities datasets. If I open the attribute table, so exactly the same, these fields are available. These are the first 5 cities. As you know, we can also digitize and create our own layers, vector layers. So it will be like point, line, and polygon. So similarly, we'll add some point on the map. Instead of manually digitizing, we'll do it using Python. Well, I'll run the code. So these are the defined coordinates of New York, London, Tokyo, and Sydney. So I'll zoom to the layer. I'll turn off the world cities. So these are the points that we have defined in the Python code and successfully added on the map. So in the next code block, we'll perform a buffer analysis around these created points. So these points are currently saved in a temporary folder. If we want, we can export this point in our local storage. So I will give a 1 degree buffer around all these created points. So I am using the my points datasets, and the buffer distance is 1 meter, then segment is 16. It will give output as temporary a file. So I'll run this code. See, this is the output, and this is the 1 degree buffer around all the points. This was the whole process, and these were just example. You can do lot more analysis using this Jupyter Notebook. Same thing you can also do using Python, but this is a more organized way. Now and then I'll clean all those layers. So if you learned something new, please do like this video and subscribe my channel, and also share this video to your friends. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.